Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess and welcome to my vlog. So ngayon guys, meron ako ditong i-unbox this one. So samahan nyo ako sa pag-unpack nito. So I have here my scissor with me and bubuksan natin. Alright, so ito na siya guys. And shoutout pala sa mga subscribers ko sa aking YT channel. Ayan, so nakabalot pa siya guys. So let's open it again. Ayan. So these guys are flashcards. Ayan. So we have here subtraction, then we have division, ayan siya guys, and we have addition, ayan. So meron tayong 3 operations: addition, division, and subtraction. So, wala tayong multiplication. Ayan. So, ito lang yung available. So, nakita ko to siya guys. Yung parang pwede mo siyang ma-fill inan ng answer yung mga yung mga ina-ask ng flashcards na ito. Just like for example, 8 plus 1. Yan guys. Tapos, merong blank. You can use this pen. Ayan, ito yung pen. You can use this pen. Tapos, pwede mo siyang ma-erase once you fill in your answer. Kung na-answeran mo na guys, na-answeran mo na siya, so pwede mo na siyang ma-erase if done. Then, you can make it to try to other learner. Ayan, so these materials are for my numeracy area or for my numeracy nook in my classroom or in my workplace. Ayan, so kasi mas marami kasi yung reading materials ko compare sa numeracy materials ko. That's why I have this. And also, the purpose of this is it can help the learners to perform operations and also serve as their exercise when they are going to perform the numbers. So addition, subtraction, and division. So lack of multiplication pa tayo. So but anyway, meron naman ako dong multiplication. So, I can also administer it to them. So, ayan. So, ito yung mga pens. Tsaka meron ding, eraser pen. At tsaka ito naman yung ilalagay dito sa hole or sa butas to serve as a flashcard. Ayan. So, excited na ako, mga guys, na to sa mga learners ko, i-apply tsaka i-administer on how fast they are in performing these operations, and also to know if they know how to perform the operations with the numbers indicated here. Ayan. Alright, so 3 only, but it is a very big help for me. So that's all guys for today's vlog, and have a good night and good day, and see you on my next vlogs. Bye bye.